Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie and today I decided to go ahead and vlog because I'm actually planning to go to IKEA Worli. I'm actually not planning on getting anything, however I just want to see, and even my dad was insisting on going on to this particular store, so I thought, you know what, let's just go. And today is 1st of Jan 2023 and I wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this 2023 or this new year brings in a lot of peace of mind and good health and good mental health as well. And I hope that whatever you wish for, like your goals and dreams, you achieve those dreams. And I hope you get the courage to go ahead and face any difficulty. It's already 12:46. I know we should have left a little early so that we could reach on time, and IKEA opens at around 10 as far as I know. However, we are still late, but I still want to just visit IKEA and see what is IKEA all about. I mean, I have heard a lot of good things. For my outfit, I'm actually wearing a very different outfit, different than what I usually like to wear. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. So this is what my outfit looks like. It's a very casual outfit, and I have this baggy jeans that I actually got from Zara, and it's a very old jeans that I have, and it's been lying in my cupboard for a really long time. And this is what my outfit looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and wear sneakers because definitely, I mean, I personally love wearing heels, however I cannot walk in them for a very long time, so I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and have that comfort when it comes to IKEA, because I have heard that if you go into IKEA, you need to make sure that you are wearing comfortable shoes because you have to walk a lot. So hence I am in this very breathable outfit right here, and I have kept my makeup really simple. It's nothing much, just a little bit of foundation and blush and mascara and lipstick. That's it. So let's see how this turns out to be, and I'm actually excited to go to IKEA. So let me just go ahead and pack my bag till then, and I will see you in a minute. Okay, so from here we actually got down at Dadar station, and from Dadar we took a taxi, and it's like from Dadar station to IKEA it's like 8 to 9 minutes drive, not more than that. And we reached this particular IKEA store which is at Worli, and when I saw this store I was so mesmerized and already excited to go in the IKEA store and see what's in here. And I actually lost track that I had to actually vlog. However, then it clicked me later on, and then I started vlogging on my phone itself because camera was not allowed in IKEA. So hence I started vlogging using my phone. I tried to capture as much as I can. I mean, I was so living in the moment at that time. The setups that they had done, every corner was so beautifully decorated, so I was going ahead and taking a look at each and every corner. I would say I was going ahead and seeing how they have gone ahead and arranged all the setups, like different bedroom decor, and how you can also go ahead and manage or make your smallest room look very pretty and cute. And they had this beautiful cabinets and drawers and kitchen appliances and decor items which was so beautiful. However, they were expensive. At least, I mean, when you know that feeling when you reach there and you are like, shit, kash itna paisa hota. It was that kind of a feeling, but I am so grateful that I actually went to this place and I got an idea. So if you are actually planning to renovate your house or your home, I think that you should at least visit IKEA. If you don't want to get furnitures from there, it's okay. At least you can visit IKEA and get a look of all the decor and all the setups that they have done. It is so beautifully done. I mean, it's amazing. So I think at least once in a while, once in a lifetime, you should visit IKEA if you have never been to IKEA. And this was like my first time visiting IKEA, so I was actually pumped and excited to all in one. I mean, I was actually really excited looking at all the pieces they had to offer in the store. I had actually not planned on getting anything, however I did purchase few things. If you have watched my previous video, you would have seen what all I got for myself from IKEA. So if you haven't watched that video, I would request you to go ahead and watch that video. It's like my first ever IKEA haul and my first ever IKEA purchases in my life. So definitely go ahead and watch that video too, and make sure that you please share, subscribe and like that video. They also had a section wherein they offered some chocolates and different kind of cookies, and then coffee tins available, ground coffee as well. And then we went in the IKEA cafeteria and we got the chicken meatball, and I guess it's a chicken wrap and a veg pasta. And that was my day at IKEA, my first day of 2023, and I'm so grateful that I got this chance and I got this opportunity to visit the IKEA. I had a really good time being at IKEA store with my family. It was a fulfilling day, I would say. I mean, a wholesome day. I know it was not the best thing, however, being with my family and with my mom and dad and spending time with them and doing what was on my wish list on the first day of Jan was something that I was really happy about and definitely grateful for it. So that is all I have for you in this vlog. I know it's not a very great vlog, however I just wanted to go ahead and share with you a snippet of my first day of 2023, what it actually looked like. And I hope you stay here for a longer time, and if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.